Aveek, afternoon. Have you been a buyer at all in the mid-cap fall or have you stayed away?
Good afternoon. I think this market talking about mid-cap and the kind of space where we are working itself is, I think, quite risky. But yes, we are buyer. We are buying small and we are buying all the stocks which we actually discussed over the period with you and others. And same stocks we are buying. We may be down about 10-12% from our starting position, but we are okay with buying in small ways.
When you say you're buying, yes, we discussed some stocks. So let's revisit that list because suddenly stocks are cheaper 10%. So just for the benefit of our viewers, what is there on your buying list right now?
Oh, as I discussed, I think earlier occasions, same stocks, TBZ, Tribhubandas Bhimji Jhaveri, that is one stock which we started buying at about 95, 96 level. And we are still buying small quantities. The other one we started buying at about 135, 36 level was Sundaram Finance Holding, the demerged entity from Sundaram Finance Limited, which is newly listed about 2 months back, 3 months back. And the other stock which we are investing is Griff's Cotton, which has really gone up a little bit, surprisingly, in this market, but it is still within the buying range of ours. So these are the three stocks, and there are a few others like Kirloskar Pneumatic is one stock which we are buying in small quantities. But everything what we are buying is, we have started buying at a level which was a little higher, and we are continue buying with the falls, and we really don't know actually when the fall will stop. But I think these are valuation wise, these are the places where we have a certain amount of conviction for at least 2-3 years. So that's all about us. So
Behind
we are hopeful that earnings will not be as bad as market is expecting, but I don't think liquidity is going to come up.
Okay. So Aveek, let's try and understand the rationale behind why these chosen stocks. Let's start with the first one, TBZ. Why do you believe that at the current prices, this stock should be bought?
You see, we have started buying at from a higher level of price. This is I think about today it will be about 1500 crore market cap company, and 500 crore or 600 crore market cap company with 1500 crore worth of sales. And this is one of the brands, major brand plays apart from Thangamile, which is there in the south, and Tannish, which is there all over India. And also other local brands which are present in the local areas and which are quite formidable. But I think as a brand, TBZ is quite fine. TBZ was not having the same store sales growth or the total sales volume of amount of tonnage of gold sold, not much over the years. But going forward, we find that few incremental changes are happening in this company. Number one is that they are taking a franchisee route for growing into tier 2, tier 3 cities. Number two is that with the GST implementation, we feel that there will be a shift from unorganized to organized, at least to some extent. Number three is that with this increase of the sizes of number of stores across India, on a franchisee route, the inventory turnover, which was remaining stagnant for almost 4-5 years for them, will going to improve, and that can in a way improve their ROE going forward with increase in sales and increase in inventory turn. Second part which we feel is that one strategic change which company is taking is, till now company was basically a wedding jewelry kind of seller, and going forward with their shops starting to be opened in mall and other places with a smaller square feet area of store space, their ticket size is going to come down, and that can increase possibly their sales volume going forward. And if you see the space, there is after Titan, if you want to look into, either you go to local brands or in the all India level, you have only few players. On this present valuation, I think there is a comfort.
Right.
And that is all we are focusing right now. And quarter on quarter, we are seeing that there is an incremental improvement coming in. Like same store growth, sales have come back. And last year, you know that this company was having, or entire sector was having a bad time for one after the other hit which it had from GST, from demonetization and stuff like that.
Aveek, you've shared with us a list of mid-cap stocks which you're buying, but would you be buying a metal stock after the recent cut down? Both Tata Steel and Vedanta have come off quite significantly from the recent highs.
Are you asking me?
Yes, right.
No, we don't have any kind of plan of getting into the metal space as of now. We only hold a stock in this metal area is copper, which is Hindustan Copper, which I think we bought at a price which is higher than this. And we will continue to hold it as a structural story for a few years to see how this company transitions with all its expansion plans and with all its new arrangements of selling the tailings and also coming up with the higher production over a period of time. Apart from that, we don't have any kind of metals, but we are keeping a look on sale out of all the space, not anything else. If sale comes out to a range of about 75, we may look into it for trading purposes, not for a our kind of investment of long-term holding.
Okay, Aveek, thanks for joining us and sharing your opinion on that front.